Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and deep dives into the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about one of the most fun and addictive games you can own, especially if you're a fan of wordplay. Get ready to go bananas for the best bananagram game, Bananagrams. If you love Scrabble but are tired of the slow pace and complicated scoring, Bananagrams offers a fast-paced, action-packed alternative. Whether you're playing with friends, family, or just want to have a solo word challenge, this game is perfect for everyone. It's an anagram game where the goal is simple. Build your own crossword grid faster than your opponents. It's a race against the clock and a race against each other, and that's what makes Bananagrams so exciting. It's not just about winning, it's about the thrill of putting words together and watching them click into place. One of the coolest things about Bananagrams is its portability. The game comes in a banana-shaped pouch, which not only looks fun but is also super easy to carry around. You can pack it in your bag, take it on vacation, or just have it on hand for those moments when you want to spice up your game night. It's also a great size for travel, much more compact than traditional board games, so you can play on the go without taking up much space. What makes this game stand out is its versatility and accessibility. It's a game that's easy to learn, but hard to master. While kids can easily play and learn new words, adults can enjoy the challenge of racing against time and each other. It's not only fun, but it's educational too. Bananagrams helps players of all ages improve their vocabulary and spelling skills, all while having a great time. Whether you're playing with 2 or 8 players, the game adjusts perfectly to fit the number of people involved. If you're looking for a gift, Bananagrams is an excellent choice. It's a crowd pleaser for anyone aged 7 and up, and it makes a great gift for both kids and adults alike. The game is simple enough for young players to enjoy, yet challenging enough for adults to have fun too. Plus, it's the kind of game that brings people together, making it perfect for family game nights or gatherings with friends. And here's the best part. It's a game that doesn't need a board or complicated setup. Just grab the tiles, and you're ready to go. Each player starts with their own set of letter tiles, and you begin arranging them into words right away. No need to sit around waiting for turns. It's non-stop word building action until someone completes their grid. Bananagrams is also incredibly customizable. You can add your own house rules or variations to make the game even more fun. Want to play a speed round? Go for it. Want to challenge yourself by only using longer words? You can do that too. It's the kind of game where every session feels fresh and exciting. In conclusion, Bananagrams is more than just a game, it's an experience. It's fast, fun, and perfect for players of all ages. Whether you're a word game enthusiast or just looking for a new way to engage with family and friends, this game delivers endless entertainment. It's definitely one of the best banana-themed games out there and a must-have for your collection. That's it for today's review. If you're interested in getting your hands on Bananagrams, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. See you next time.